Second, okay. So at the DivX stand, and this is new software.
That's completely new software. It allows you to create DivX Ultra content. I show you here we are on the cut already on the cut editing parts, but it's also so you can, for example, you just define an in point, out point, and cut. It's completely seamless.
So this is like Pegasus Inc. You're working with them, yeah?
Yeah.
And so this is software that does editing and the menus and
editing and menus and subtitles. I can show you here the subtitle editor. Here you have subtitles imported directly from a DVD.
Yeah.
You can still add your own subtitles. And it's okay. Well, if you just pay a bit overlay here.
Nice.
And you can also import subtitles either in your own format, which is called subtitles, or in SRT format too.
Just import it in there?
Just import it there, it merges everything. And since this is an ultra format, you can have up to 2 different subtitles tracks and select them using your remote control or the menu.
Maximum 2? Maximum 2. Alright. But so it generates from any format, you put it in?
Yes. Almost any format. Anything you can put on the hard drive, you have 99% chance to be able to use it on this software.
Alright.
It goes on AVI, direct show, QuickTime.
Yeah.
Everything, and since it has its own MPEG-2 decoders, you can also use it. You can use content from a DVD video, DVD VR, set-top box, DVD recorder, or DVD RAM for example.
So you can import from any DVD that's not CSS encrypted?
Yes, if it's not encrypted, it's not protected, you can use it.
But if not, you just drag the VOB files?
It's better to drag the complete folder.
Complete folder,
Because we need the IFO information to recover chapter points, etc., or subtitles, tracks.
Alright. Like the video underscore VTS, is that the name of the folder, no? The
video TS.
Video TS, yeah.
Video TS for DVD.
Yeah.
And the manager folder for DVD ROM or DVD VR. It depends.
And also like HD resolution, does that work?
It works in HD resolution, but output is SD only.
Your what?
Output.
The output
is on HD only.
You cannot output
not in HD with the DivX Author software, but the DivX software allows HD output, so you can create your DivX Ultra content in HD completely.
But why is it not HD yet? You know?
It's probably because it's really focused on playback in hardware devices.
Yeah.
And so for now, the hardware device profile is SD.
All right, because there's not a DivX Ultra HD yet?
Not yet.
Not yet. But when they will, then there might be some Blu-ray players that will support DivX.
I'm not allowed to say.
Not allowed to say, okay. Because those HD players, but it doesn't matter. But they have this menus, this crazy menus. Okay. But so this one is it outputs a .divx file.
Yes.
And
file only.
And it works in all the DivX Ultra.
Yes.
All right.
It can also work on non-DivX Ultra player, but you won't have any menu features.
You just get the primary video tracks.
All right.
But
So so how much is when is it available and how much it costs, the software? Is it trial?
It's available
today.
It's available now
on the DivX website, and it's less than $40.
At DivX.com?
Yes.
And also at Pegasus Inc.
Pegasus will be another software.
All right.
English version is not available yet, but if you read Japanese, you can see the Japanese site.
All right, and on the Japanese site?
Yeah.
But how much it costs?
$39.99.
$39.99, but it's free to try it?
Yeah, 30 day.
Yeah,
30 day. 30 day, all right. And it comes with the DivX Pro? Do you have to buy that also?
The DivX encoder is included within the software.
It's included, and it does the best quality DivX. Can you change some settings?
You have some settings available here. In the video pass, you can select bitrate, different management mode, and you can also some advanced features
you can go insane if you want.
Best quality.
The best?
Best quality from fastest, but low quality to best quality.
Best quality is like insane.
Lowest. Yes.
Yeah? Alright. Okay, thanks. Oh, you have more? You have more to say? No.
Yes, we have more to say because we haven't seen menu yet.
Okay, let's see the menu, okay.
Yeah, this is the menu system here. I'll show you a simple menu that has been made using a template. If you're in a hurry, okay, you just select a template, answer a question or two, and your menus are done. Or if you need something more specific, like this, you go to custom templates.
It looks like the templates you have for the DVD maker software.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
What's it called? DVD... Yeah.
We use the same template. Oh, let's go with flowers today. Okay, this one, you can choose the background.
There you click, and you get a nice DivX file. And can you upload that kind of menus on the Stage 6?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
But the menus don't work in the web player, do they?
You know, I'm not 100% sure. I don't know. We just started uploading files in the format.
Okay.
Let me find that out. I'll be right back.
Here we're in custom menu mode. So in this case you can do almost any editing you want. There are some effects here. Change the colors. If you're drawing text. Okay. Let's be mad and let's change the colors text. Okay. Font and style.
So this is like a full menu editing.
This is the full menu editing software.
And then can you set up a batch encoding?
No.
No?
No. You have to do it manually everything. But what you can do is you can.
But when you finish, what do? You click output. You have to wait.
Yes.
You cannot start working on the next title.
No, you can, but you can start another software session this time.
Like open another software.
While it's outputting on one software, you can still work on the other one.
Yeah.
And you can also create your own menus and save them, so you can reuse the menu design in another project. Everything can be edited like this one, you see, and choosing another background. And well, it's nice to have this kind of menu, but maybe we need something more interesting, so we go with some motion. Okay, 2 second animation. We do it fast. And maybe we also need to edit the links between the different menu elements. So those are just remote controls represented here. So if you want, for example, from this picture and click on this button, if you click on this button, you go to the next thumbnail here. But if you want it to go rather to the play button, you edit the length.
Alright.
And this is completely
this one will play.
Yes, if I am on this picture in the menu and click on this button, I go to the play button instead of going here. And you can freely move, edit, modify every element. You can even, button can also be not just a picture, but a movie itself. So you can animate it with buttons.
Is it only through the GUI, or people can also go and edit some code if they want to do more advanced?
No, we cannot go up to this level because the code is there is a compilation stage in it. When you encode in DivX and after encode it, we compile everything into DivX format and menu included, and you cannot modify it like this.
The menu system, is that based on Java or JavaScript or?
No. The menu is based entirely on the DivX Ultra.
DivX standard,
Standard.
Right.
So we're gonna take a few seconds. This is the animation.
So this is how it's gonna look on the TV?
Yes, this is a simulator because if you have to wait 3 or 4 hours to get the output because of the DivX encoding, it's better to be able to verify it before. Like this one. Preparing.
So if you upload a file that has menus and and all these items to stage 6, you can still have access to the subtitles and the multiple audio tracks through the web player.
Yeah.
You won't have access to the menus, but to get to the menus, you just would have to download it first and then play.
Okay. But you just don't see it, so it skips the menu somehow.
You'll go to the primary video track.
All right. Right.
Yes, and the result I show you the result on a DivX Ultra player. There you go. Okay, that one is not ready yet.
But you didn't burn a disc, did you? Before you did. Okay.
Yes, I burned it before. So it's just a CD. So where it loads.
We're still working on our remote technology.
But now it's showing the computer screen, no? Behind.
Yes.
You're switching.
I'm going to switch. Must first find the correct input.
This is a DivX menu.
It's a very easy one.
Okay.
So it's a simple menu, but we have something more interesting. Okay.
So each of these are with menus.
Yes. So this is DivX Ultra. With menus that have been entirely made using software I've seen before.
Alright, so those videos there are DivX format?
Yes, no, it's everything in DivX format.
Yeah.
So you select track like a DVD, you can select your audio, return, and let's go to the apps.
Alright. And this format you could have lots of movies on a DVD and even more on a Blu-ray.
Double layer Blu-ray, you could have, 60 movies.
60 movies on one disc. With the menus and all the stuff, of course.
It's a 50 gigabyte Blu-ray disc, you could have an incredible amount.
Alright. Okay, thanks. Thanks.
There is
you have more?
The one last thing.
Okay.
Not sure you. Okay. No, it wasn't. Not this one. Okay, let's change the output and go to the DivX player itself. DVI. But there is also a slideshow editor in the software.
Okay.
So you can create your own slideshows and menus. DivX Author. There it is.
With DivX player on the computer. And these are pictures.
Those are big menus at the beginning.
But does that mean the slideshow is a small file? Or is it video actually?
It's a video. It's a
it is video.
It's a DivX video.
Alright,
so
but the bitrate is variable, so it doesn't spend so much?
It doesn't spend so much, yeah.
What kind of bitrate would you use for something like this?
We go with a standard home theater profile. So the maximum is 4.5 megabytes.
But you would use lower than that.
It's going to be very low, no? The file size.
It's variable. So when you have the animation part, sure, it's going to take more bitrate. But when you're on fixed image like this, it won't be so big. And you have still 2 audios and a menu, etc. For audio tracks. And setup, audio 1, audio 2, etc. And you can also add your subtitles and everything.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome.